It is Thursday, October 31st, 2019. Market is going to open up here shortly, and when it does, I'll come back. Gonna do some trading today, just like I did yesterday. I stopped yesterday right about here after it made that signal, made 3,000 and then stopped trading. But it worked super good, came all the way down. My system again then said to go long, it went long, and again long, it went long. It You can see it didn't move that much while I was trading it yesterday, but after I left, that's when it really started to move big. So, it's not the best time zone in the world for me to trade the YM, but the HSI also doing super good. I'm going to start trading that and many different things. So anyway, but today I'm going to trade the YM again. It's gapping down and looks like it's going to be in play. I will come back. Okay, market's open. Let's see what it wants to do. It just gave a short signal. Not taking it yet. Probably drop out now. I'm thinking about just waiting for the lines to come in case it gets tricky. Yeah, I'll probably just go ahead and do that. Okay, I have finished up the lines here from yesterday. This is where I left off right here, and then it went down, and so I only got a piece of it, well, a small piece of it though, and I got out and quit for the day. But these were the second two lines. It also went down, and then the next two lines here didn't trigger until over here, and these two lines triggered first. So these two lines gave a long signal, it went up. These two lines gave a long signal, it went up. These two lines gave a long signal, it went up. All working 100% accuracy. Amazing, isn't it? Well, you want to know something that's even more amazing? It works the same on everything there is, everywhere in the world. Stocks, bonds, currencies, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, Indian stocks, Japanese stocks, Chinese stocks, USA stocks, you name it. Works on everything. Gold, silver, wheat, corn, gas, oil, everything. Everything there is in every country there is. This works. You can know which direction every single solitary instrument on planet Earth is going to go before it goes there and make money from it. Left and right. Left and right. All day long. The only thing that you want to stay away from is when the market gets really slow and choppy. If you try to use this system when the market is slow and choppy, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get chopped up on it really bad, and you'll lose money. But if you're trading this system on a market that is moving, and right now the market is moving, it's going to work super well. Anyway, still going here. I'll come back when I've got two lines and we'll go ahead and start taking them for the day. I'm not going to be able to play the whole day again though, because see, the time zone I'm in, it's already nighttime for me, and it gets late real quick. So, but anyway, I don't need to play it all day. I mean, normally it doesn't make this big, huge move at the end of the day. Usually at the end of the day, it kind of goes sideways. It usually makes a nice move at the beginning of the day. It just didn't do it yesterday. No big deal. Most of the time it will. So I don't miss them. Anyway, I'll be back shortly. Okay, we've got our first two lines. If it hits 42, it's a short. 43. It just hit 42. Yeah, it did. Going short. Alright, I've got 20 contracts short. There's our first short, or our first signal. That's a short. Let's see what it's going to do today. Could come down pretty good. Chart doesn't look great for it, but it's alright. Yeah, it's not bad. Good gap down after a run up. Looks good. Could come down pretty good. Okay, I will come back. Okay, moving down pretty good here, up 2300, back to 1900, 1800. Jumping around a little bit. Still going to hold it short here and see what it wants to do and get another 2 lines. Could have a big day coming down here. I'll come back. Okay, up 3200. It's coming down pretty good. Do have a short signal on it. I mean, besides this one. But so far, so good. Okay, up 3600. Bouncing back up a little bit. Looking good so far. See how it's just going down? It may continue. Or it may bounce at some point and come all the way back up. It's done it a lot of times, but there's a pretty decent chance this thing's going to keep going. It's continuing to move down here. I'm up 4600. Right now I don't have any signal to go long of any kind. Only have short signal. And so I can get out and lock in these profits. If I've got a long signal, I can go ahead and get out. Otherwise, I'm looking to hold it and look for 2 more lines again. And if we get a second short off of the second 2 lines, we'll be in great shape for it to continue to come down here. It is bouncing on me, but I don't have a long signal. So until I get one, I'm not going to get out. I'll come back. Okay, looking for a signal here. Okay, let's see. Is that a short? Yep, that's a short signal. Looking for it to continue to come down now. Okay, I will come back. Okay, currently up 5200. Just, gonna stay in it until I can get a long signal. Or if it really spikes down, I'm gonna take it. 6,000. 63, 64. Preparing order to get out. 20 contracts to buy at market. Currently at 6,000. Popping back up here a little bit. Got no signal. Okay, I will come back. Okay, it looks like it's going to go for more here. 6,600. I've got no long signal. All short signals. 7,100. Hits 8,000. I'm going to get out. 75. What are we looking at here? Still no signal. 75, 77. 8,000, I get out. 77, 78, 79. There it is. Getting out. Okay. It popped back up on me before I had a chance to get out. There's 7,800 right there. First 2 lines, 7,800. All on Halloween. It's hard to beat it. So don't let everybody tell you that, trading is really hard. It's only really hard when you don't have the right system. But if you have the right system, and you have my system, it's not that hard at all. And yesterday it worked all day long. I was only able to get 3,000 out of it, but because it didn't move all that much. I mean, this range right here was huge. It didn't even break. And then this range was even bigger. It didn't even break. So I couldn't even play anything. And then I played this one short and went down just a little bit. And then I held on to it and went long. And so I went long with it. And this one also went long and went long. And, then it didn't do anything, didn't break one way or another. Then it broke short. And by the time, it was down here, I just said, okay, I'm going to get out. I'm tired. It was past midnight for me. And then shortly thereafter, that's when it made its huge move. But usually, like I said at the beginning of this video, that doesn't happen. And it usually makes its big move first thing. And then later, at the end of the day, it doesn't really move that much. So, anyway, as you can see, it's not, as long as the market is moving, my system will work perfect. I'll come back. Okay, I just missed these two lines right here. I was gone, and then I just came back, misjudged the, well, I got them faster than I thought I would, and anyway, so I just missed them. I missed going short. I'm not going to go short now on it. Unless I could get a good price. Now, it's already turning over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the next two lines, and then I'll jump in. I am missing a huge trade here. These second two lines right here have gone short, and they really moved down good. I was busy making coffee, if you can believe that, and didn't realize they would come so fast. And I got back and realized that they had already been formed. So, yeah, I was too late. Anyway, I am waiting for two more lines to come, and then I will take the trade. But would have been nice if I would have taken that one. Okay, we have our two new lines. There's a top line, here's the bottom line. Whichever way it breaks first, if it hits 39, it's a long signal. Going to take it long with 20 contracts. Right now it's at 27, 28, 29. If it gets close to 39, I'll come back. That was a really nice ride down though on that second signal. Wish I hadn't missed that one. But anyway, this one should also be good. Should move pretty good off of these two lines as well. Okay, if it hits 39, I'm going to go long. 35, 36, 37, 38, 37, 40, taking it. Okay, 20 contracts long here on the YM. Yeah, I wish I hadn't missed that one. That would have been really good. That one's good for another 8,000, I think, close to it. So that would have been really good to hit that one. But anyway, hopefully I can hit this one and get up over 10, maybe 12. We'll see. I'll come back. Okay, currently up 9,000. Moving pretty good here. I'm not exactly sure what the target is, but I would say possibly 27,000. So up quite a bit here. I'd be happy with 975. I'll come back. Okay, if it hits 42, I'm going to jump out because that's going to be an offset entry to go short. Otherwise, I'll hold it to continue to go up. I'm up 9,000 here. I was up almost to 10. And at 42, I will exit the trade. Lock in profits, and I'll get in again. 35. And I'm in at what, 38, so I'm not going to make much here. I just don't want to ride an offset entry down. See if it'll start moving back up here. Okay, there it goes. Top is at 57. Once it breaks that, it'll keep on going for a bit. All I have right now is long entry, nothing short. Okay, currently up 9,200, 93, 94. $95. About to break the top. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, just shot up a little bit there. 99. What are we looking at? No signal yet. Just going to write it up here. I'll come back. Okay, 10.3, 10.4. Looking at about 70 on the exit here. 10.2, 10.3. Looking at 64. Looking to get around about 70, 75 perhaps. Okay, there's 67. That's still don't have a short signal or anything like that. 10.7. Ready to get out of the trade. $20 contracts at market. What are we looking at here? I don't have a short signal. Come on, let's press up one more time. Take me up to 70. I'll get out. Coming back down on me a little bit here. I still don't have a signal. I'll come back. Okay, it's starting to move back up. It looks like it might capitulate here. I've got 10.2 in it right now. I'd like it to break that high one more time. Let me see, what are we looking at? I'd like to break that high one more time. High is at 67. 68, it's broken. One more time, take it up to 75, and I'm out. Come on, hang in there for me. Hang in there for me. Don't roll over yet. Ah, man, I'm gonna have to... Let's see, what do I want to do with this? I'll just risk it. It's the good chance it's going to continue up anyway. And if not, they'll get the two lines and it'll tell me what to do. Okay, here comes the chance again. 68 will be the break. Once it hits 68, it should hit 75. And I'm going to get out right up there. Okay, here it comes. I'm going to sell 20 contracts at market. Alright, I'm not going to let it, if it hits 55, I'm going to get out. 55, I'm out. Lock in what profit I've got. Giving it a chance to go up. Here it comes. 63. Come on, make a jump. 65. Just give me one pop. And I'll hit the trigger, hit the sell button in a second. 67, almost there. There goes 68. Come on, give me 75. Up 10.7. Come on, one pop. There's 70. Can we hit 75? Alright, I'm taking it here. Okay, I'm out. 10.2. I still don't have a short signal yet, but it looks like one's going to come. It's going to roll over right here, I think. Anyway, doing fairly well today, but if I had hit this second trade, instead of go down and make coffee, I'd be way ahead. I'd be up about 18,000 today so far. Or maybe only 17, or even maybe only 16, but I'd be way up. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, I am going to walk away today with my good profits for today and call it a day. It's moved so much, it's possible it could kind of go sideways for a while, and I don't feel like waiting it out. Got a lot of good action right in the beginning. It's good to just walk away here. So anyway, I will be back tomorrow on Friday to do some more trading, or I might take Friday off. It just depends on how it looks and if I make plans between now and then. But otherwise, I'll either be here or I won't. I take Fridays off a lot. And if I don't come back for Friday, have a great weekend, everybody. Hope you're doing well in your trading, and I hope that you are using this trading system or one of my other trading systems. But I think most of you need to just use this one because it's the easiest. I could argue it's the best, and yeah, highly recommended. Anyway, I'll be back